Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Today's video will install these wheel spacers for Tesla Model X. Is it safe to run these wheel spacers?
By moving the wheel further away from the chassis, they create more space from the hub assembly to the wheels. It is an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers.
BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS has created the world's first active cooling technology based on years of experience. Breaking the long-term single function of the wheel spacers. Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the braking efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety. BONOSS owns an independent OEM factory, so that custom wheel spacers can be completed within 3 days. OEM and ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion to fit custom wheels, BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3 mm thick to 160 mm thick are available. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about this BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.